Need your TD Bank transit number right now, but can't find it anywhere? Don't worry. We've all been there. This quick guide will show you exactly how to locate your transit number directly within the TD Bank app in just a few simple steps, so you can set up direct deposits or electronic fund transfers in a breeze. First, unlock your phone and open the TD Bank app. Go ahead and log in using your usual username and password or through your device's biometric authentication. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard tab. On the specific account you need the transit number for. This is typically your checking account. Now you're on the account details page. Scroll down until you find account details or something similar. You might need to tap on show more details if you don't see it right away. In the account details section, you should see your transit number, also known as a branch number. It's usually a 5-digit number. Make sure you also note your institution number, which is 04 for TD Bank, as you'll often need both. Now you can copy and paste or manually enter the transit number and institution number wherever it's needed. Easy peasy. And that's it. You've successfully located your TD Bank transit number using the app. Now you can confidently complete those important transactions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple banking tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.